Hi, I'm Ms. Hancock, and today we're going to talk about subtraction of integers without using a number line. The standard that we're going to talk about today is 7.NS.1d. So to start this lesson off, we've already talked about in previous videos when we're subtracting integers that there's a rule that we're going to have to use, and that rule is keep the first term, change the minus to an addition, and change the second term to an opposite. So let's look at a problem here, and we'll talk about it. The problem that we're going to talk about is 5 minus 7. So our rule was keep the first term. So keep, change, change. Keep the first term, so we're going to keep 5. We're going to change the minus to a plus sign. And we're going to change positive 7 to negative 7. Don't forget to put parentheses to separate your operation and the negative sign. And now that we've done that, we're going to have to use the rules for addition. So on the rules for addition, we need to look. There's a plus sign here, and we need to decide, are the terms the same or are they different signs? So this is a positive 5, this is a negative 7. So I'm going to say that they are different. So we're going to use this one right here. So what is the rule for different? We're going to subtract. So we're going to ignore the sign, and I'm going to put the 7 in front. I'm going to put it in my head, and I'm going to say 7 minus 5. 7 minus 5 is 2. And I'm going to keep the sign of the largest absolute value. So the absolute value of negative 7 is 7. The absolute value of 5 is 5. And the largest one is 7. So I'm going to keep the negative. So the sum of 5 plus negative 7 is negative 2. So let's look at another example. So I have 4 minus negative 8. And we're going to rewrite this a minus sign. So we're going to rewrite the problem. And we're going to use the rule keep, change, change. Now, how did I know to use keep, change, change? Well, this minus sign right here tells me to do keep, change, change. And so I'm going to keep the first term. I'm going to change it from minus to plus. And I'm going to change negative 8 to positive 8. Now, I don't have to do a parenthesis because I'm not separating the operation from a sign. So now I have 4 plus 8. Now, you can just go back to elementary here, and we know that 4 plus 8 is 12. But also know that the rule works because these are the same sign. Both terms are positive. We would do same, add, and then keep the sign. Okay, let's do one more problem. So this problem would be negative 2 minus negative 7. Because this is a minus sign, we're going to do keep, change, change. So I like to write the initials above it. Keeps it straight in my head. So I have keep the first term, change it from minus to plus, and change negative 7 to positive 7. Now I'm going to look at my terms, and I have a negative 2 and a positive 7. Those are different. And what do I do with different? I subtract, and I'm going to say 7 minus 2, which is 5. And then I have to decide which one has the largest absolute value. Absolute value of negative 2 is 2. The absolute value of 7 is 7. The largest is 7, so I'm going to keep it positive. And that is our lesson for rewriting subtraction problems into addition problems. See you in the next video. Have a good day.